Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a strong bleaching scrub. This is a very strong bleaching scrub that shouldn't be used every day. This should majorly be used when you have dark patches, dark knuckles, where you have dark knuckles, dark nails, dark elbows, and if you have a very sensitive skin, please do not use this on your body. It is very strong. It's a strong bleaching scrub. It's Oshapra scrub, Snow White scrub. So without wasting much time, I'll be teaching you guys how to make your own scrub at home. This is my base cream in this plastic. I have my base cream. I have 80 grams of my base cream in here. So the next thing I'll be needing is my alum powder. In here I have my alum powder and my bleaching powder. These are the main ingredients. These are the main whitening actives. These are the main whitening actives that I need in this formulation. This is what will make this scrub very effective and strong. I have 20 grams of both, that is 10 grams of my alum powder and 10 grams of my bleaching powder. So I'll be adding this into my base cream. You can use a base that you made yourself, but if you want this to be more effective, you can use a whitening base. You can use a whitening base for this if you want it to be much more effective. So you can use a whitening base for this. So I'll mix this very well. You can see how sharpened it is looking. This is because of the actives inside. This is why I'm telling you that this is a very strong scrub. It is really strong. So if you have a really sensitive skin, please do not use this. And if you want to sell this, make sure to calculate. You can double the ingredient like I just did. Just double it, and that's all. So the next thing I'll be adding is my skin-free milk, because I said earlier that this is a very strong scrub. I'll be adding 10 grams of my skin-free mix to this. So I added 10 grams of my skin-free milk. Then I'll be adding my propylene glycol to this as well. I'll be adding 10 grams of my propylene glycol to this. You can see how foaming the scrub is looking. This is because of the actives I added in this. That's why I said if you have a really sensitive skin, this is not a scrub for you. But if you've tried a lot of products, it's not working on you, you've tried a lot of things, it's not working on your skin, you want to exfoliate your skin very well, and this is not something you use all the time. Like I said, it's a very strong scrub. It's not something you use all the time. You just use it to exfoliate your skin because of the fact that products are not working, or you have a very dark knuckles. So all you have to do is use this, and you will get a very good result. So if you're selling this, make sure to add your preservative to it. I'm adding just 1 gram of my preservative because I'm using this for myself. So I'll go ahead and mix this very well. You can see I'll go ahead and mix this very well. Sorry, I'm creating a mess. This is not even going. You can see how it is looking because of the active ingredients in it. That is the reason why it is looking like this. You can see what it is looking like. You can see it, right? So this is a very simple way to make your own Oshapra scrub. This scrub, like I said, it is not something that you use all the time. It is just something that you use to open your skin, like open your pores, remove dead skin cell. It is not like your regular scrub. This is going to exfoliate your skin very well. It is really going to exfoliate your skin very well, and it is going to give you a good result. Once you use this scrub, for it to give you that good result, you need to go in with a very good lightening cream or soap to get that best result from it. I hope this was helpful. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to notify each time once I'm here with a new video. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.